As December draws to a close without any concrete official announcement, curiosity and speculation surrounding the highly anticipated DJI Avata 360 continue to intensify, positioning this drone as a potential game-changer in the FPV drone and immersive camera market and raising the central question of whether DJI truly abandoned plans to release it this year or simply chose to recalibrate its market strategy. Because when analyzing DJI's recent launch history, it becomes evident that once more substantial leaks begin to surface, such as certification labels, regulatory filings, promotional images, and internal documentation, it usually signals that a launch is imminent, often just weeks away, which is why many analysts and enthusiasts firmly believed the Avata 360 would arrive before Christmas, following DJI's classic pattern of making major announcements in mid-month, typically on a Tuesday or Thursday, making dates like December 16th or 18th seem extremely plausible, especially considering DJI's near tradition of releasing short teaser videos roughly a week before launch to highlight a key innovative feature and build hype, something that notably failed to happen on December 9th or 11th or even the following week, reinforcing the perception that a 2025 release had become virtually impossible, a theory further strengthened by reports emerging directly from Shenzhen, China, suggesting the Avata 360 was postponed to January 2026 as a strategic response to the early launch of the anti-gravity A1, implying DJI opted to further refine its product to maintain technological leadership. And if this January timeline proves accurate, the most likely dates again fall around mid-month, possibly January 16th or 18th, provided an official teaser appears around January 9th or 11th as indirect confirmation. While the race to claim the title of the first truly functional 360-degree drone effectively began back in August when the market was surprised by Anti-Gravity's announcement of what it branded as the world's first 360 drone through an aggressive teaser-driven marketing campaign that ultimately revealed only a prototype with a distant release window, which in turn pressured DJI to allow images and information about its own 360 drone, already in advanced testing, to leak, prompting Anti-Gravity to accelerate its roadmap and push the A1 to market in early December in a clear attempt to get ahead in this emerging category. And now that Anti-Gravity A1 units are reaching consumers, deeper analyses are beginning to separate genuine innovation from pure marketing promises, while the Avata 360 remains shrouded in mystery, with the most relevant leaks dating back to November confirming the official name via certification labels and, more importantly, revealing a hybrid drone capable of switching between a traditional FPV mode and a full 360-degree capture mode through a 90-degree rotating gimbal, a concept similar to other recent DJI products and one that naturally opens the door to a wide range of bundles, price points, and configurations aligned with DJI's well-known commercial strategy. Because in stabilized FPV mode, the Avata 360 is expected to behave similarly to the Neo 2, featuring advanced obstacle avoidance systems, anti-collision sensors, front-facing lidar, rear optical sensors, and downward infrared sensors, especially when flown using the Motion Controller 3 paired with Goggles 3 or the more affordable Goggles N3, delivering a smooth, safe, and accessible flight experience even for less experienced pilots, while bundle options are likely to range from entry-level kits with a single battery and essential accessories to full-fly more combos including multiple batteries, a charging hub, and a carrying bag, with estimated pricing spanning from more accessible tiers to premium levels depending on included accessories. Yet the true soul of the Avata line has always been its manual FPV mode, which unlocks the drone's full potential by disabling assistance systems and sensors, enabling aggressive maneuvers and total freedom of flight that demand the FPV Controller 3, which will likely remain a separate purchase, preserving DJI's philosophy of serving both beginners and advanced pilots. But the real revolution of the Avata 360 clearly lies in its 360-degree capture mode, where the gimbal positions two spherical lenses facing upward and downward, each offering a 180-degree field of view at an estimated 4K resolution, with images stitched together through advanced processing and artificial intelligence to produce a single 8K 360-degree video. creating the invisible drone effect and allowing complete creative freedom in reframing shots during post-production, a massive attraction for content creators, filmmakers, immersive video producers, and professionals in tourism, extreme sports, and marketing. And leaks further suggest that in this mode the Avata 360 will feature omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, potentially using the 360 lenses themselves as complementary optical sensors working alongside dedicated sensors and LiDAR to provide full sphere protection, combined with advanced tracking features similar to those seen in the Mini 5 and Neo 2, including an enhanced active track capable of following fast-moving subjects while intelligently avoiding obstacles, as well as possible gesture controls, voice commands, Wi-Fi connectivity, and compatibility with controllers such as the RC2 and RCN3, opening the door to entirely new bundle types including controller-free versions designed for smartphone operation, gestures, or intelligent commands at lower estimated prices, alongside mid-tier and full kits for users who already own compatible accessories. And on the camera side, all indications point to the Avata 360 inheriting specifications close to the Osmo 360, featuring an approximately 1/1.1-inch sensor capable of capturing ultra-high-resolution panoramic photos and recording 8K video at high frame rates, along with a single-lens FPV mode offering high-resolution and excellent video performance, while transmission range should see a significant boost thanks to the O4 Plus system, potentially reaching up to 20 kilometers with improved stability and lower latency, a critical factor for high-speed FPV flying. And regarding battery life, recent certification label leaks indicate a modest improvement over the Avata 2, increasing from roughly 23 to around 25 minutes, with an estimated weight near 400 grams and a major jump in internal storage that could reach around 128 gigabytes, possibly with SD card support, an essential feature for handling massive 8K 360-degree files, reinforcing the idea that the Avata 360 is not aimed at casual users but rather at pilots with experience in both FPV flight and advanced immersive video editing, requiring powerful computers and a more complex workflow. Yet if all these rumors and leaks are confirmed, the DJI Avata 360 has the potential to become the most innovative drone DJI has ever released, raising the bar for the entire industry and unlocking entirely new creative possibilities for professionals and enthusiasts eager to explore the full potential of truly immersive, cinematic 360-degree aerial imagery.